This is Ruby. She just celebrated her 84th birthday. Things are changing for Ruby, and her kids are worried about her. She agrees it no longer makes sense for her to live alone. Ruby's daughter Chrissy helps her look into her options, and together they find a new home for Ruby, Edgewood Healthcare. As soon as she moves in, Ruby meets the in-home provider, Emily. She's a nurse practitioner who works right in the community and knows all the residents. If Ruby has a question about her prescriptions or if she becomes ill or needs urgent care, Emily's right there. Of course, Ruby will still have her primary care physician, Dr. Hansen, and Emily will work with him to make sure all Ruby's healthcare needs are met. In fact, Emily looks over Ruby's prescriptions and has a suggestion for some small changes that might help. She communicates with Dr. Hansen to make some adjustments to Ruby's medications. "You're taking good care of me already," Ruby says. "It's not just me," Emily says, and explains that there's a whole team of caregivers at Edgewood ready to help Ruby. They call it the Edgewood Health Network, and it's made up of physical, occupational, and speech therapists, home health and hospice professionals, nurses, and many other specialty providers to help with whatever Ruby might need. In a short time, Ruby makes plenty of new friends, and she sees the Edgewood Health Network in action. When Ruby gets the flu, Emily comes to check on her. Emily's always right there when Ruby needs her, and she doesn't even have to leave the comfort of her own home. Plus, Chrissy appreciates the convenience of not needing to take time off work to take her mom to the clinic. Ruby's new friend Martha meets regularly with the on-site physical therapist, who helps Martha get strong enough to walk without a walker. Ruby's friend Tom learns that he's facing a life-limiting illness. Although Ruby is sad about the news, she's thankful that the in-home hospice caregivers are here to help him. Tom never has to leave his home, which means that Ruby, Martha, and his other friends are still right down the hall and can visit him frequently. When Ruby needs shoulder surgery, she comes home from the hospital quickly, where Emily's right there to check on her. Working together with on-site home health, nursing, and therapy services, Emily monitors Ruby's progress. It's comforting to Ruby to know she has a specialized team of healthcare professionals right in her own home that will see her through her recovery and beyond. At Edgewood, home and healthcare come together. Now, Ruby's been at Edgewood for over 5 years. Today is her 90th birthday. Chrissy, Martha, Emily, and all Ruby's new friends are here to help her celebrate. Ruby's decision to make her home at Edgewood was a good one. When she blows out her candles, Chrissy asks what she wished for. Ruby can only think of one thing. "I wish I would have moved to Edgewood sooner." Ruby's story is one of ease, comfort, and care. Trust Edgewood to shape your healthcare story today and into the future. Edgewood, where home and healthcare meet.